Good morning students, welcome to my YouTube channel IT Academy by Arvind sir. In previous video lecture we have seen audio and video tag, okay, with example using HTML5. In this current video we are going to see, okay, the image map using HTML. Okay, so let's start with the image map tag using HTML5. This is very important part of the HTML. Okay, image map in HTML5. Basically, what is image map? So see, when you have multiple hyperlinks in one image, okay, so we'll take an image, in that we will provide different hyperlinks. So that is known as hotspots. Okay, different reasons is known as hotspots. So that particular concept in using image, okay, we are going to map different links. So that concept is known as image map. Okay, so let's start with the image map concept. An image map, image with multiple hyperlink is called an image map. So what is image map? An image with multiple hyperlinks is called an image map. Image map is used to connect links to different regions on the web page. Okay, an image map is created by marking certain regions on an image clickable. Okay, for example, if you have a large image, so some particular location will fix for something, second will fix for something, like that. So these clickable regions are called as hotspots. This is important. Next is image map are of two types. One is the client side image map and second is the server side image map. Here we will confine only to the client side image map. The tags used to define the client side image map are: number one, we have an image tag. Okay, when you use the client side image map, the first concept will come as img tag. Okay, so basically what the img tag will do, it is used to insert an image on a web page. So all of you know how to insert an image in web page. Okay, so with the help of img tag we will add an image to the web page. So to create a client side image map, you have to use map attribute of image tag. So to mention that, to say how we come to know that whether it is a client side image map. So with the help of this use map attribute, we will come to know that it's a client side image map and it is preceded with a hash symbol. Okay, the use map attribute acts as a pointer which indicates that the image is a client side image map. Okay, next we have map tag. It is basically, it has only one attribute, that is name. Okay, we are mapping with this one use map, so it has only one attribute, that is name. You can give the name to your image map. It specifies the name of the image used for the client side image map. The value of the name attribute is the value specified in the use map attribute of image tag. Next is the area. It defines the specific clickable regions. A given map element can contain multiple area element within it. Area is a singular tag and map is a paired tag. Let's see what is singular tag and what is paired tag. Okay, so means if you use a particular tag, if you open the particular tag, it is not required to close it. That is singular tag. For example, br tag. Secondly, if you have a tag, open tag, it is required to close it. It is mandatory to close it. Right? Just for example, HTML, then at the last you are closing /HTML, means it is a paired tag. Okay. Next we have the attributes of area tag. So once you will specify the area tag, what kind of the attribute it have. So first attribute, we have two columns over here. One is the attribute and second is the description. Okay, and first we have, see, all four are required, but last one is not mandatory, alt. But see, when you are going to search something in that particular location, how you come to know that this particular area belongs to what? Because there is no name comes over there, only the image is there, and you have to find out that clickable region. Okay, so for that we have to use alt. Okay, so all these four attributes are actually important. Number one is the href, h reference, or it means it's a URL of the clickable region. So basically href defines the URL to which the clickable region within the image map navigates. Okay, for example, href equal to abc.html, google.com means once you click on that particular region, you will navigate to that particular link. Shape, it have three values: rect, circle or poly. Shape has three values: rect, circle or poly. Only three you have to remember. Coordinates, it specifies the coordinates of the clickable region on the image map. What do you mean by coordinates? For example, if you are drawing a rectangle, what is a rectangle? It has four sides. So, okay, so if you mention a rectangle, what is the position of the rectangle? So for that you have to specify four coordinates: x, y, dx and dy. What is x? X means what? From, for example, this is a computer, this is a rectangle. From starting point x, okay, where coordinates start. Y, from top, from x. If you say x means from left, okay. If you say y means from top, okay, and dx and dy means what is the coverable area, how much space is it covers. For example, if you have a 10 by 10 room, and that if you are putting some cupboard, some cup table, so that particular area it will occupy. So that is dx and dy. Okay, next is what? Circle. Sorry, first is rectangle. So specify the rectangular area with four coordinates. Okay, circle, it has circular region and it requires three coordinates. Poly requires region with coordinates specifying each point on the polygon, it requires four coordinates. Default region cover the entire page for image, no coordinates are to be required for that. Then lastly we have alt tag. Alt means it's an alternative text tag to the clickable region. Once you click on that particular text, it will show specify the extra information about the clickable area. It is the alternative text to the clickable region. Okay, so we have covered only this in this topic, and after that we will see the concept with an example. So we'll open the notepad and write down the code for the image tag. Okay, so to clear this, you require first an image. Okay, so firstly you have to download a particular image. So I have downloaded an image on my machine. Okay, already this 12th HTML, we are writing all the programs in this folder only, and see, this is my nature image, this one. Okay, look at this, open this and just see the preview of this image. This image looks like this, and in this I am going to apply the image map over here. Okay, so let's see how to apply the image map over here. Firstly I am going to use image tag, and I am going to call this image first. Okay, on my browser. So I'll start with doc type HTML. Okay, now HTML, after that head, and then title, to give the image map, close the title tag, close the head tag, open the body tag. After that, just call h1 and write down something over here, an example of image map. Close this h1 tag. Okay, now call this image src equal to, what is the name of image? Nature. Extension is jpg. So go to its properties and see what kind of the image you have, and accordingly you have to give the extension. Just close this body tag and close this HTML tag. Okay, now save this with image HTML. Okay, image map.html. Okay, now just open this image map.html folder. See, this one is there in Google Chrome, and just see whether your image is there or not. Okay, so an example of image map, an image is we can see in a browser also. Okay, now next is, now first thing is, very important thing is that you have to use map in image tag. Okay, so use map equal to, what you have to use, you have to use hashtag. Okay, and then the name of the image. For example, I am giving name as image map. Just close this, and one more tag, one more attribute I will use, alt, means image of nature. Okay, and just see, so save this and execute this in browser. Okay, so once you click this, nothing will be happening over here. Now I am going to use map tag over here. Okay, so map, already one attribute you have to use in map tag, that you know, map name attribute. What is the name? Is map, image map, sorry, image map. So same thing you have to call over here. That's it. Okay, next important thing is that you have to use area tag. Okay, href equal to, now you have to give the name of link to the image. So I am going to give this as http://www.google.com. okay, and after that reference is there, and then you have to use the shape I am going to use as rectangle. Okay, then coordinates you have to specify, CORRDS, chords, equal to, so I mentioned the coordinates 0 0 x 0 y 0, and then width and height 93, 65. This is as per your requirement. Okay, alternative to this is Google site. Okay, just close this and just save this, Control S. Now just open this, refresh it. Okay, now let's see, here you are seeing the hand version. Okay, mouse, clickable mouse, just click on this. See, once you press this, a rectangle will come over there. See, and this indicates that this particular region, see, once you come out of that region, the sign will be the different, and once you go to this particular region, the sign will be different. Means this particular location is what, wherever you click on this particular location, you will go to what, google.com. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this will open the Google link. Okay, secondly we have, okay, So we have seen the rectangle coordinate. Next coordinate is what? We have area, okay, href equal to suppose I am writing http www.facebook.com. Okay, so shape equal to, here I am mentioning it is circle, and the coordinates are equal to CORRDAS, chords equal to, so 3 coordinates you have to specify in this. Okay, 111 x coordinate, 140 y coordinate, and then 40 is the where your image will locate, means link of this circle will locate. Okay, alt equal to Facebook site. Okay, Facebook site. Okay, just close this, save this, and execute this on the browser to see. Okay, now see, this clickable region is circle. Okay, this particular region is circle. Once you click on this particular region, you will move to where? Facebook.com. Just see, so this is your Facebook page. Okay, now back to the previous one. Now third part is area href equal to, I am going to use a third one link as rectangle we have seen, circle we have seen, polygon we have to see. So http://www.youtube.com, youtube.com. Okay, shape equal to, here I will mention poly, poly, poly. Okay, coordinates you have to mention coordinates to be, so 6 coordinates you have to mention over here, chords. Okay, xy 145, 187, 170, 198, 215, 245, 280, 305. Okay, alt equal to, this is YouTube site, YouTube site. Okay, just close this. Okay, now close the map tag also. Map, just close the map tag over here, just save this. Okay, now let's check, click refresh it. So you have to see, search for this area a circle, next you have to search for the polygon. See, where is the polygon? So basically it is what depends on this 145, 187. So this somewhere we have find here this one. Okay, so this particular reason is what? Polygon. So YouTube gets open over here. Okay, so that you have to search, accordingly. See this reason, once you click on this one, because this one, okay, this particular reason acts as a polygon. Okay, so this is what your image tag with example. Okay, so only two topics are left from this chapter. Okay, one is inline CS, inline image, okay, inline frame, okay, in HTML, iframe, and how to host your website. Only two topics are left from this chapter, as this chapter is very large, okay, because so many topics are there in this chapter. Okay, so that two topics we'll see in next video. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.